We're just getting this breaking news. Prime Minister Modi has just spoken with Chief Justice of India, Justice B.R. Gavai, after the attack or an attempted attack that happened on him earlier today inside the Supreme Court premises. In fact, the Prime Minister has also tweeted about it, and he has said that there is no place for such reprehensible acts in our society. It is utterly condemnable. I appreciated the calm displayed by Justice Gavai in the face of such a situation. It highlights the commitment that he has to the values of justice and strengthening the spirit of our Constitution. This, of course, was in response to an incident that happened earlier today in the Supreme Court inside the court premises, where a man attempted to throw a shoe at Justice Gavai for the reported comments that he made about Sanatan Dharma. I want to go across to Payal with more details on this. The Prime Minister speaking to Justice Gavai and also realizing that this issue cannot be allowed to fester, because I think the opposition has been trying to make an issue out of this. Do we have any further information of what the nature of the conversation was between the PM and the CJI, and does this matter now rest, or will the politics around it continue?
Well, of course, nothing can stop the opposition parties from doing politics on the entire matter, because, that is something which has been there. And they will, of course, level allegations on the BJP and the government, saying that you have taken Hindutva to such a level that there is no stopping people from, taking matters into their own hands, including in the court of the Chief Justice of India. The Prime Minister, of course, Zaka, spoke to Mr. Gavai, expressed his this behavior by the person who tried to do this has angered everybody. But, one has to actually basically, know where to draw a line as far as, certain emotive issues are really concerned. That seems to be the larger and the overarching message of the Prime Minister.
Also, very quickly, can you bring our viewers up to speed with what exactly happened? What is this incident that happened in Courtroom 1, where the CJI usually presides?
What we do understand, that there was an attempt by somebody to, in fact, fling a shoe at the Chief Justice of India in return for, like you just mentioned, for the comment that he made on the Sanatan Dharma recently. You remember there was a huge row over this when he had made certain comments which were, of course, all across the media and all across social media as well. So an angered person has done this. But, appropriate action will be taken against him. The Bar Association has completely assured that. And that was something which our colleague Ananya reported early today.
All right, Payal, we'll leave it at that. So the Prime Minister speaking to the Chief Justice of India, expressing his concern about this attempted attack in his court today, where somebody tried to fling a shoe at him because of the comments that he made reportedly about Sanatan Dharma. Of course, that person has now been released, and the CJI said that he doesn't want to press charges.